Greens one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm actually about an hour's drive southwest of where I live. I decided not to go to the National Forest today because I'm back at overtime starting tomorrow actually, so I could be up at 4 a.m. But anyway, I wanted to set up a new hammock that I was given by this company, and we'll do the unboxing real quick. I'll just do that now because I opened up the box at home and then kind of went over everything. And yeah, so let's get to it. Right, let's do an unboxing. Take a quick look. Rid of all this packaging. So we got the Easthills Hammock, Rainfly. We got the Easthills Outdoors Bug Net. And then we got the, whatever this is. Oh, it's the suspension system, and what else is in here? Get the suspension system, and I guess we'll find out when we get out there. I'm not seeing any cordage, so I think I'm going to bring some, just because it's never a bad idea to have cordage. No instructions or pamphlet or anything telling you what's what. Alright, let's see what we got for cordage. Guess we'll go with some good old Paracord. Paracord. A few hanks of bank line probably wouldn't hurt. Few small hanks of paracord just in case. I don't know if these have tent stakes or not. I don't want to rip everything out of the package. This doesn't feel like it has anything in it, so I don't feel tent stakes. I should have read the Amazon description a little bit better. So, bad mark. So I guess I'll throw in a couple tent stakes as well. Sweet. So I get this Eagle Creek pouch here that will serve just fine. Yeah, I'm using these breakable ones, but we'll see if we get lucky today. Breakable ones. I like using little pouches like this so you kind of keep everything, you know, together. So we get that, the Rainfly, miscellaneous, and then the bug net. Alright, well there we go, and before I get the hammock set up, I'm going to clean up all these down branches, clear them out of my way. Unfortunately, I'm not spending the night, but I don't want to be tripping over them either. So. Alright, well there we go, and before I get the hammock set up, I'm going to clean up all these down branches, clear them out of my way. Unfortunately, I'm not spending the night, but I don't want to be tripping over them either. So. Alright, let's get these out of here. Naturally, I put them at the bottom of everything, but... So, here's the Rainfly, which I'm going to put up first. I got my cordage right here. Make sure you guys can see. No point in doing this if you guys can't see what I'm doing. This will be the first time I'm seeing it. In fact, it's still got that newness and a new gear feel. So here's the Rainfly. Okay. I'm not sure what this is. So you're seeing it the first time I'm seeing it. Okay, so it did come with stakes. Man, those are some tiny stakes. And it came with this cordage. Okay, I'm going to say this. Actually, I'm going to reserve my opinion until after, but I'm not going to use this cordage. Well, I guess I'll just give you my opinion now. I think this cordage sucks. So if you get this, immediately throw out the cordage it came with and get Paracord. Oh, and they attached them all. Well, that's a big whatever. So let's get this sucker up. I may just string Paracord. Did it give me original? Are these for original? No. Tell you what, that's a pretty big tarp. Well, that is actually a pretty big tarp. And you know what I'm seeing that I'm happy about? I think they put center tie-outs on it. Sweet. So string up some paracord, which I'll do off. Alright, I guess I'll do this real quick. But I always leave my knots for my ridge lines already tied on. So I don't have to sit there and dink around with it. They're just ready to rock and roll. So all I gotta do is throw this around a tree and run the paracord through. Which I had to pull out the other way. Huh. Wow, awkward. Alright, there we go. So, there we go. That side is done. And of course, paracord has to get stuck on everything. Okay. Let's get the tarp put up. Man, I'm so happy they put loops on these. Come on. Feeding the paracord through is, oh man. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to have to tighten it up on the other side. So we'll just do a non-fancy knot. There we go. pull this up out of the way. I'll fix the other side. Real quick. That's what I like about these knots. I can just simply undo them. Pull this up, tie that off. Sweet. Well, that's actually not a small tarp, I'll tell you that. That's a pretty nice tarp. I mean, it's let's see, I'd say 9-foot tarp. 9 feet is my guess. Well, the camera was crooked. So, yeah, it's not too shabby. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stake out the two sides real quick, which I'm not going to show you, I don't think, because I think you guys kind of get the idea. That way I can throw the one side over and we'll hang up the hammock off camera. Well, I mean, we'll hang up the hammock when I won't have the thing in hold. Okay, so now I got all that. This one side is all done. Now what I'm going to do is, what I was planning on doing, I'm going to pitch this over the back so you guys can see the hammock better. That was my plan from the beginning. Let's get the hammock out.